Mute all. Unmute yourself, guys. Malam, unmute yourself.
Yeah. Guys, welcome to the SFICC Online Cricket Quiz Season 2. We are back. This is episode 1. This episode is going to get, in fact, the season is going to get much more better, much more stronger, and hopefully with lesser controversy than season 1. But that's not going to happen because this is SFICC, right? So, participants for round 1, please unmute yourself. QJ, can we have the next slide? Yes. So, for those who don't know, I am your host for tonight. Representing Raptors is Abbas Jawra. Abbas, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, I can hear you as well. Representing Smashers is Saqib Nazir. Saqib, can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you, madam.
Perfect. Representing Phantoms is Parmeet. Pammo. Parmeet?
Yes, I'm here.
Okay, perfect. And Aryans is being represented by Sunil Shetty. Sunil?
Yes, I'm there.
Perfect. All right, guys. Before we move on to the next slide, I just want everyone else who is who's coming as spectators for today's game, please remain mute. You can keep your videos on if you want to. Okay. Can we have the rules for the round 1, please? Right, guys. This is identifying the picture round. There are no buzzers. We'll have a randomizer right after I finish reading out the rules. We'll have 8 questions in this round, 2 per player. You get 10 points for identifying each picture correctly and minus 10 for incorrect or no answer or negative answer. You'll have 10 seconds. I will be counting it on my phone here. There is no pass. Okay. And because there is no buzzer, I expect you to just say out the answer when it's your turn. Don't wait for me. Participants, I hear some disturbance from one of your screens. Can you just check? There is some background noise coming. I'm not sure who it is. Okay.
Not mine.
All right. Anyway, let's go to the randomizer. Momo, who's doing the randomizer today?
I'm doing it again.
Oh, you're doing the randomizer. All right. So we have. Can you guys see Momo's screen?
Yeah.
All right.
I'll begin
Momo,
the
go for it.
randomizer. First will be Aryan Sunil Shetty. Next will be Saqib Bhai.
Done.
Third will be Parmeet. And fourth will be Abbas.
Okay.
Okay. This is for the first set.
Yeah, do the other one also.
Yeah. Go for it.
This is for round 3.
In fact, Momo, this is for round 1. We have 8 questions.
We are going. You need 2 randomized.
Yeah, we need 2 randomized because there are 8
I'll do
questions.
round 3 first and then round 1, alright?
Okay.
So Mohammad Ayub will go first.
Guys, there is still some disturbance coming from someone. Please, if you guys can just move on to some other room.
Second will be Aman.
Yeah, thanks, Abbas.
So it was from me? I don't know.
First is Ayub, then Aman, and then Vineet, and then Pranay.
Okay, cool.
सही है मोमो रैप्टर्स को लास्ट में रख सारे.
Just note that down, and we'll have the second set of randomizers for round 1, please.
All right, second round. It's going to start off with Saqib Bhai.
ठीक है.
So fifth question will be Sakib bhai. Then Parmeet. Third will be Abbas. And then Sunil. Good luck, guys.
Guys, yeah, all right. Can we just quickly have the rules again? So I'll just rerun this quickly. There is 10 points for identifying each picture correctly, minus 10 for incorrect answer, but no negatives for no answer. Okay. So if you don't have an answer, you can just let it go. We'll not give you any scores for that. The reason being is because we're giving you 10 for each correct guess and minus 10 for incorrect guess. So just make sure when you go for it. Okay, Momo, who's going first?
First is Sunil.
Sunil, are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, Sunil. Next slide will be your picture. QJ, let's start. Time starts now.
Trent Bolt.
Trent Bolt is the right answer. Well done. Good start. We have started the first episode, first question with 10 points. Well done. Momo, who's next?
Sakib bhai.
Sakib
Yes.
bhai. Ready?
Yeah. Ready.
Okay, QJ, go for it. Time starts now.
Nick Knight from England.
Perfect. Nick Knight is the right answer. Well done. No nicks over here. Pretty much a straightforward catch. Well done. Okay. Momo, next.
Parmeet.
Parmeet, ready?
Yes.
Okay. Let's go for it, QJ. Time starts now.
That's Jack Rudolph.
Jack Rudolph is the incorrect answer. The correct answer is Bota Depinard. A quick fun fact about Depinard is that after his retirement, he started flying planes in South Africa. Guys, before I move on to the next question, players who are participating in this round, please mute your phones. The WhatsApp vibrations, we can hear them. Avoid that, please. Okay. Momo, who's the Abbas goes last, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Abbas, ready?
Yeah, ready.
Abbas? Yeah, ready. Okay, QJ, go for it. The time is already started.
Pat Simcox.
Pat Simcox is the right answer. Well done, Abbas. You get 10 points for that. Fifth question, please. Who is it for?
Sakib bhai.
Sakib
Yeah,
bhai.
I'm ready. Yeah.
Yes, Sakib bhai. Okay, QJ, go for it.
अरे बाप रे बाप ये टिकटॉक मास्टर चहल
Full name.
युजवेंद्र चहल.
Well done. In time. Guys, if the answer is very easy, we expect you to say the full name.
Okay, I'm
Alright?
so sorry. Yeah.
No issues. All right. Okay. Next, Momo.
Parmeet.
Parmeet, ready?
Yes.
Okay. And your photo on screen is?
No idea.
That's fine. You decided to not answer. That's okay. You get no negative marks for that. And the right answer is West Indies wicketkeeper Ridley Jacobs, ex-West Indian wicketkeeper. Okay. Next is
Abbas.
Abbas. Ready?
Yes, ready.
QJ, photo please. Five seconds remaining.
No answer.
That's okay. That's fine.
Shoaib Maqsood.
Yes, the correct answer is Sohaib Maqsood.
Who said that?
Deepu, रुक जा यार.
Yeah.
तेरा टाइम आएगा. Okay.
Sunil.
Last is going to be Sunil, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, Sunil, ready? And your photo
Yes.
on screen will be now.
Marcus Trescotty.
Marcus Trescotty is the right answer. Well done. England legend. Well done. Left-handed opening batsman. Nice.
Yeah.
Okay. Momo, quickly scores, please.
Scores are Aryans 20, Smashes 20, Raptors 10, Phantoms -10.
Okay, pretty tight up there. Definitely, Phantoms have a good chance of coming back into the quiz, and the top two are, I mean, you can't decide. It's a tie as of now. Okay, guys. Contestants of round one, thank you very much. Hope to see you again very soon. Can we have round two contestants, please? Somal Shah for Raptors, Ankit for Smashers, Ali Bhuri for Phantoms, and Deepu Adnani for Aryans.
Present, sir.
Thank you.
Present, sir.
Okay. All right. QJ, quickly rules, please.
Can you hear me, guys?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, guys. So this is the score sheet with blanks. You will have 4 score sheets, one after the other. Each score sheet will have 2 blanks. So there are a total of 8 questions there. You get 10 points for the correct answer, -5 for incorrect answer, no answer after calling the buzzer. Because it's a buzzer round, if you don't call the answer, you still get negative points. Yeah.
अच्छा वन डाउट स्कोर शीट में दोनों आंसर देने सॉरी मैंने सुना नहीं स्कोर शीट जैसे दो उसमें है दो ब्लैंक्स है फिर
Do we have to, if you answer one and if you don't answer one, do we get any points or it's 0?
QJ, can we have confirmation on that, please?
And if we answer one correct and one answer incorrect also, what about that?
We'll just quickly ask, just go through with it. QJ?
Yeah, the marking is +10 for the correct answer and -5 for incorrect. So the person who identifies calls the buzzer, he has to answer both.
Okay. And what if only we know the one answer, then we do we get any points or no?
-5.
And -5 for no incorrect or no answer. So
No, but there are,
but
the question
So
is
you
that
get
there
+10
are,
for answering both.
for one
No,
answer, for each.
One answer. The question
And
is,
-5
we are not
for
getting
each
सही दिया और एक
incorrect
गलत दिया
answer,
तो-
right?
the doubt is that so basically you're saying that if you know only one answer, don't press the buzzer. If you know both the answers, then only press the buzzer. Am I right?
If you know only one answer, you can still press the buzzer. You can get +10 for the correct and -5 for the no answer of the second. So you get
5 we will
+5.
get means 5 we will get at that time
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Fine.
okay
Okay, now it's clear.
clear for everyone?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
okay
Okay. Guys, there is no pass.
okay
And again, there is going to be, as soon as the buzzer is called out, you'll have to answer. There'll be no time buying allowed.
Time.
Okay.
Okay.
Perfect.
Yeah.
Cool.
And just to make it clear, if there are buzzers which I cannot hear properly, I will be asking Momo, and Momo will be taking the call.
Okay.
Perfect. Chalo.
Guys, all the best. QJ,
you.
can we have the first score sheet, please? (2015) first semi-final, South Africa versus New Zealand. Please guess the player of the match.
Ankit.
Deepu.
Ankit
Deepu.
Okay, I got Ankit first, but wait. Momo? Ankit, go for it.
first your second player that is Brendan McCullum or player of the match is Jeff Elliott
Okay. So you get right answer for Brendan McCullum. That's the right answer. But second guess is actually Grant Elliott, not Jeff Elliott.
Grant.
So I can't
Yeah,
guess you.
that's what.
so Elliott means yaar
नहीं यार.
सही है ना यार
I can't. You should have just said Elliott probably then. I can't
Yeah,
give
bro.
that. But even Elliott wouldn't have been counted. We expect full names. So
Shit, man.
10 and -5. But
यार
good
10
speed.
मिलने चाहिए इसमें okay fine
Good speed. Okay.
Ankit, sir.
Can we have the second score sheet, please? This is the 1992 World Cup final between Pakistan and
Sebi.
England. Yes, Sebi.
The name is Neil Fairbrother,
Yes.
and the man of the match is Wasim Akram.
Wasim Akram is the man of the match, and Neil Fairbrother is the right answer. Well done. You get 10 points each for both your answers. Well done.
Wow. Well done. Yeah.
क्या बात है ये भी
पाकिस्तान का था यार.
Okay, can we have the third score sheet, please? Match was played in Chennai, 1987. Australia versus India. This match, India lost by 1 run. Guess the 2 batsmen which are...
Ankit
Yes, Ankit.
Krish Shrikant
Yes.
And second one, Sachin
Time's up.
Tendulkar.
Time's up. That answer is incorrect.
नहीं
We don't
Gundappa
accept
Vishwanath
the
अमरनाथ
होगा.
अमरनाथ
No, the correct
Gundappa
answer is
Vishwanath.
Krish Shrikant,
अमरनाथ
and this was Navjot Singh Sidhu's debut match.
Ah, okay.
तो फिर से मुझे 5 ही मिले.
हाँ.
जी. Guys, again, WhatsApp की tones सुनने में आ रही है हमें. It's pretty evident. We don't want to point out names, but please avoid, yeah, avoid. Come on. It doesn't look good. Yeah. Okay. Can we have the next scorecard, please? Oh, yeah. India versus Zimbabwe 1983 final. 1983 World Cup match. Guess the batsman and the score of Kapil Dev.
Ankit.
Deepu.
Momo?
Deepu.
I heard Ankit first.
I heard
Ankit.
What the yaar, मैंने
Ankit, go for it.
Ravi.
यार.
Oh, sorry. The scorecard is 175.
And the batsman?
यार. Sunil
I
Gavaskar.
know it.
सही है.
Can we have the answers?
Sunil Gavaskar, 175 is right.
Sunil Gavaskar,
man.
175
यार,
is the right
मैंने
answer.
बोला
Well
था अपना
done.
नाम. Shit यार, मैंने बोला था.
So, this brings us to the end of round 2. Well done. Ankit was pretty quick in this round. Okay, Momo, scores please.
Scores are Smashes now at 50, Aryans at 20, Raptors 10, Phantoms 10.
Okay, all right. So AB did the salvage part over there and got the team to positive. Let's hope if his other team members can help them sail through. Okay, can we have the participants for round 3, please? Round 3, we have Pranay Bhatia from Raptors, Vineet from Smashers, Aman from Aryans, but he looks different in this.
मैं पतला हो गया यार, मैं पतला हो गया.
And Mohammad Ayub from Phantoms. Okay.
Yeah.
Guys, quickly, rules, please. QJ, can you have the rules? Okay, guys, so this is a video question round. There is going to be no buzzer. We've already done the randomizer. You all know the drill. What's the confusion, guys? Pranay?
Yes.
Yeah, can we have your video, please?
Yeah.
You guys can hear me, right?
Yeah, Vineet, we can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay.
आ रहा हूँ 2 मिनट, मेरा राउंड चल रहा है.
अच्छा.
नहीं.
Aman, okay?
हाँ.
पक्का?
हाँ, sorry, वो फ्रेंड बुला रहे थे.
चलेगा, ठीक है. Okay. So you get 10 marks for the correct answer, -5 for incorrect. There is no negative for choosing not to answer. Guys, it says that time allowed is actually 20 seconds. We've changed that. Now, what is going to happen is each video will play twice. We expect you to see the video and guess the whatever we are going to ask you as soon as the video ends. If you know it before that, you can answer it before the video even stops. The video will stop after 2 plays. You'll get 2 chances. It will play once and immediately play twice, and then that's it. Clear?
Okay.
All right.
Yeah. Clear.
Okay. Momo, who's going first?
Ayub, Mohammad Ayub.
Okay.
Ayub. Aman, पीछे थोड़ा disturbance आ रहा है. Please, if you can. Okay. Ayub, you'll have to guess the batsman.
Okay.
Video will play twice.
Sure.
So let's start the video, please. QJ, go for it.
The batsman who scored, right?
Yes. This is second turn, and that's it. That's the end of the round. Yes, tell me. Do you have the answer?
It's Pakistan Babar Azam.
Babar Azam is the right answer. Well done.
Thank you.
I see AB smiling there.
Aman.
Okay, Aman. All right. Aman, ready?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Can we have the question, please? Aman, identify the bowler. Let's play. That was one, and this is the second.
यार अटक रहा है यार ये तो.
Aman, it's done. Do you have an answer?
Shit. I could अटक क्या है मालूम है वीडियो स्ट्रीम ही नहीं हुआ है.
Do you have
उसका
an
रन अप
answer?
नहीं है. Oh,
It's actually getting stuck. थोड़ा अटक रहा है actually.
it's अटक रहा है but ठीक है यार. I will not risk it. I couldn't make it out on because
Okay,
अटक क्या.
let's move on. Aman, are you on phone or laptop?
Phone यार. I have no option. I can't see it. वो अटक रहा है. Batsman पूछता तो शायद बता देगा.
We had advised actually on the captain's group if you can.
Mellam, can I guess?
Mohammad
Yeah, yeah.
Asif, right? Mohammad
Yeah,
Asif.
yeah. Mohammad Asif is the right answer.
Mohammad
Guys,
Asif.
if other people can actually see it, means there's. I mean, we can't help it, but then it's always safe to play this round on the laptop or on a iPad.
I get it, but I told them the captain.
I am also on laptop, but yes, there is some lag in it. I agree.
Yeah, but the thing is, we are playing it twice. I mean, that's the whole part of the game. We are not giving you negative for no answer. So everything has to fall in place for you. Well, anyways. Okay. Momo, who's next?
Vineet.
Vineet, ready?
Yeah.
You'll have to identify the batsman and your video will start now. That was once. And that was twice. Do we have an answer?
Rohit Sharma.
Rohit Sharma is the right answer. Well done. Okay. And last is going to be Pranay, right?
Yes.
Okay, Pranay. You ready?
Yes.
Yes. You will have to. QJ, what does he have to guess? He has to identify the batsman.
Okay.
And your video is going to be on screen now.
आजा.
And once more. That's it.
It's Steve Waugh.
Stephen Waugh is the right answer. Well done, Pranay. Well done. Good guess. And the bowler was?
Bowler, I didn't focus.
Wasim Akram. Well done.
My eyes didn't go to the bowler. It was only to the batsman.
Okay, it's okay. We understand that. Mohammad Ali, please put yourself on mute, yeah, whoever you are. Okay. Thanks, guys. That was the end of round 3.
Sure. Thank you.
And let's have the contestants for round 4. And before that, yes, the scores.
Smashes at 60, the rest all at 20.
Oh, wow. Okay. So there is a lot of catching up to be done. And I guess it could be anyone's game. This is the all infamous, as we call it in SFICC, the rapid fire round. Okay, guys, rapid fire, you know the drill. Chandu, just for you once again. It's going to be Momo who is going to take the final call. And the players playing for this round are going to be Umar Jamil for Raptors, Shabbir Mustansir for Aryans, Adarsh for Phantoms, and Chandu for Smashers.
Can you hear me?
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Can you hear me?
Clear. All of you are clear. All of your videos are on. Perfectly fine. All the best. Can we have the rules, please? So, guys, again, buzzer round, as I said, 10 questions, 10 marks for the right answer, -5 for incorrect or no answer after the calling the buzzer. I will also give you negative marking if you call off the answer without calling out the buzzer. Even if it's right or wrong, if you're not the person who's called the buzzer, you call the answer, I'm going to give you -5. No warnings, please. There'll be no
my name as Shabo.
However you want to call it. There's going to be no passing, and time allowed is immediately after the buzzer is identified. No we'll call it as time buying, and we'll give you negatives for that. Okay. All of you ready?
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, let me take a deep breath because this is going to get interesting. Okay, can we have the first question?
Mahalam, one thing, 7 minutes left.
Yeah. Yeah, it'll go fast. Okay. First question, please. Apart from Amit Mishra, who is the only bowler to claim more than one IPL hat-trick? Shabbo. Yuvraj Singh. Can we have the answer, please? Yuvraj Singh is the right answer. Well done. Okay, that's some interest for IPL. Question number 2, please. Two Robinsons have played Test cricket for India and coincidentally have played the same number of Test matches. How many Test matches?
Shabo.
Shabo?
I remember the Robinson played one
Answer,
match.
answer.
One test match. I don't know about the other one.
Wow.
One.
Okay,
Wow.
one Test match. Let's see the scores. Let's see the answer. One Test match. That's the right answer. Well done.
I just remember it
on
today.
some roll. Guys, I expect you to please only say the answer. We don't want to hear stories. Okay.
That's rude, man.
Can we have that? We don't have time, Shabu. We don't have time.
Okay.
Can we have the third question, please? Why was the second ODI between India and Pakistan at Sialkot abandoned in the 1985-1986 season? Five seconds. No takers. And the answer is, it was the death of Indira Gandhi. Wow.
No.
I didn't know that. Okay. Can we have question number 4, please? What is the middle name of Sunil Gavaskar?
Chandu.
Chandu. Yes.
Manohar. Sunil Manohar Gavaskar.
Sunil Manohar Gavaskar is the right answer. Well done. Okay, guys. Question number 5. Which team has recorded the most number of ducks, 658 in ODI cricket? A, India. B,
Pakistan. Pakistan.
Wow. Can we have the answer, please?
We know how the batting works in Pakistan.
Pakistan is the right answer. Well done. Okay, fine. Well done, Shabir. Question number 6. Which bowler holds the record of taking a wicket off the first ball of an ODI for the most number of times?
Chandu. Glenn McGrath.
Glenn McGrath is the incorrect answer.
Can I take a guess?
Can I guess?
Chaminda Vas.
Chaminda Vas. Well, let's see the answer.
Yes.
5 times.
Chaminda Vas is the right answer. 5 times is the correct answer. I only remember it. Yes.
Because
yes.
of Bangladesh.
Okay.
Shit.
Question number 7. Let's start question number 7, please. Which South African cricketer has batted at 10 different positions in ODI cricket?
Shabo.
Shabo. Go for it.
Klusner. Lance Klusner.
Wow.
I know Shoaib Malik has done it from Pakistan and Abdul Razak, and I saw Lance Klusner there as well. I guess.
Can we have the, I don't think we need to see the answer. Let's move on. Well done.
तू कल चूमेगा.
Well done. Question number 8. The right answer is Lance Klusner, guys. Question number 8. Who is the first Indian cricketer to win Player of the Match award in all 3 formats? Again, first Indian cricketer. Time starts now. Okay, time's up. And can we have the answer, please? It's Irfan Pathan. Okay, brings us to the penultimate question of the first episode. Can we have question number 9, please? Apart from South Africa, which other side has helped?
Shabo.
I heard Adarsh.
I think I heard Adarsh. Yes.
Adarsh, go for it.
Australia.
Yeah.
Australia is the right answer. Well done.
Shit.
Fun fact, this is one of HS's favorite batsmen.
Oh.
Can we see the scores by any chance? We have 2 minutes left.
Okay, fine. Let's have the scores first.
I
can't say no to Chandu, yaar.
Smashes at 65, Irons at 60, Phantoms at 30, Raptors at 20.
Wow.
Shabbo, you, Melam, only less than a minute, okay?
Okay, guys. No bakchodi. Let's go for it. QJ, let's have the last question, please. in the 1992 World Cup semi-final, how many runs did South Africa need at the final ball to win via DLS?
Chandu.
Chandu.
22.
Wow. 22 is the right answer. Well done, Chandu. Probably the answer of the night. Guys, let's take it on the group. Well
good
done.
one, Chandu.
Also
Good one.
participants.
Shabbo, well done. Seriously, यार बहुत अच्छा आंसर है
Well done,
Shabbo.
यार शब्बो, well done.
शब्बो यार वेल प्लेड यार शब्बो यार शब्बो भाई टाइम ही नहीं दिया यार मौका भी नहीं दिया
एक मिनट है कर लो जो बातें करनी
शब्बो, well done, शब्बो.
शब्बो यार वेल प्लेड यार शब्बो अमेजिंग
भाई शब्बो A division है next time.
मैसेज भी लेके गया
शब्बो वेल डन बॉय
शब्बो you have
शब्बो आंसर बहुत अच्छा था
आंसर दे देता यार रिस्क ले लेता
कौन सा फर्स्ट आंसर कौन सा दिया इसने
चंदू 22 कैसे याद रह गया
अबे इतना कॉमन है तो भाई सबसे इजी
आंसर था यार क्या बात कर
सबसे इजी था
नहीं पता था
शब्बो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पता था
मुझे यकीन हो गया कि जो अच्छा क्रिकेट नहीं खेलता वो कुछ अच्छा खेलता
बड़ी नाइंसाफी हुई थी बहुत
आप अच्छा क्विज नहीं खेल
मौका
सकते
भाई छोड़ेंगे नहीं मैं मौका भी
लेकिन मौका पे नहीं सकते
चलो आ जाओ ओके
जरूरी है मौका भाई
ओके वेल प्लेड एवरीवन चलो वेल प्लेड एवरीवन
वो you should not be banned from
चंदू भाई एक्सीलेंट यार चंदू भाई
क्या रे